I see a lot of people spend tons of money, tons of time making a website. Oh, this needs to look perfect. Needs to look really nice. And the thing is, they spend all this time, they spend all this money making their website perfect. When they're ready to launch their business or when they're ready for the world to see this new website, they put it out there and it's crickets. Nothing happens. And this is important to understand and this is important to realize because the thing is, you can spend all the time, all the money putting together that website, but if no one knows about you, no one's going to check out that website. I don't care how cool it is, no one is going to check out that website. So this is the reason why I'm saying you do not need a website. It's also clickbait. Sorry. All right, so I do think you need a website, but the thing is, I don't think the website should be the most important thing on your priority list initially, right? So I say this because the one thing that should be above website is your audience. You need an audience, whether that's your audience on social media, whether that's your email list, whether that's the contacts in your phone. You need an audience because without that audience, no one will go to your website. And that's just the truth. You could spend money on advertising and get people over to your website, but that's going to cost some money, right? So what we can do, if you're a new business owner, if you're a new coach, if you're an aspiring business owner, keep in mind that the most important thing you need is your audience. It's not your website. It's not your branding. You just need an audience. You need people to talk to. You need people to sell to. That is the most important thing. I have closed so many deals on Instagram DMs, on Snapchat DMs, over text, and majority of people don't say, hey, let me take a look at your website. It all happens through conversations with people. So that's why I don't even know what I was going to say. But anyway, so what you really need is your audience first, then your website. So, hey, look, you want to have a clean website. It doesn't need to be the best website. Just make sure that when people go to your website, it tells other individuals, hey, this is what Mark does. These are the products and services that he offers. Cool, got it. Nice. So keep in mind, audience first, website second, and you are good to go. I'm not saying you don't need a website because you do need a website. What I am saying is that you need to focus on your audience first because without the audience, you won't have any traffic to your website, right? You need customers, prospective customers to actually go into your website and think about it like a store. If I build out an entire store and I spend all this money making the store look really nice, but my store is in the middle of nowhere, when I open up my store, most likely no one's going to go to my store, right? But if I have a store and it's in the middle of downtown and everybody that I know is walking by saying, hey, what's that store that's going to open up pretty soon? What is that called? I already have traffic, right? So when I do open my doors downtown, I'm going to start getting a lot of traffic into my store. You need to be thinking about your website that way. If you have the traffic, cool. Invest time and money into making your website the best website. If you don't have traffic, do you really need a website? Probably not. Let's focus on building up that audience. If this helped you out, go ahead, let me know in the comments. Give this a like, give us thumbs up, whatever. Smack that subscribe button, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.